Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Employee Central Lifetouch. First of all, you have to open your Google Chrome web browser and on the top section right over here, type down Employee Central Login Lifetouch and enter it after you're done. And what you have to do is click on the first option right over here that says Lifetouch account login. And here we go see you will be redirected to the page where you have to log in. And in order to log in, you have to enter email address or username and password below. So type down your email address or username as per you prefer and also your password. And after that, you can but if you want to click in this option that says remember me in order to remember the device that you log in and you do not need any credentials required if you want to log in again. And if you have forgotten your password or lost access to your password, you also have an option that says forgot your password right over here in order to recover your password or reset it. And after that, click on this option that says login, and then you'll be successfully logged into LifeTouch account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.